Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. So this is the video for my project final assignment, Intermediate Grammar, part 1 and part 2. So for part 1, I have two topics. The first is degree of comparison and the second is correlative conjunction. And for part 2, I have a study case. Before we start it, let me introduce myself. My name is Rati Shani. My student ID number is 3250038. So let's get started now. So the first topic I want to tell you is degree of comparison. What is degree of comparison? Degree of comparison is a form of adjective that is used to compare a person or thing with the same quality with another. It is related to the adjective or adverb in a sentence. For example, you are prettier than me. An adjective is used with to be. And the second example is she dance more beautiful than you. An adverb is used with verb. Next is grammar pattern. Degree of comparison has three grammar patterns. The first is positive degree, and the second comparative degree, and the third superlative degree. I want to tell you the first is positive degree. Positive degree is for two things being compared are at the same level or are comparable. The comparative form is as adjective or adverb as. The pattern is when used an adjective, subject plus to be plus as adjective as plus object. For example, Vina is beautiful as Nita. And when used an adverb, subject plus verb plus as verb as plus object. For example, Joe runs as fast as Billy. And the second is comparative degree. Comparative degree is for comparing two things that possess a quality to a greater degree than the other. The comparative form is adjective or adverb plus er or more plus adjective or adverb. The pattern is when use one syllable adjective, subject plus to be plus adjective plus er plus then plus o. For example, you are taller than me. And when use two syllable adjective or more, we use subject plus to be plus more plus adjective plus then plus o. For example, chocolate is more delicious than milk. In comparative degree, when used an adverb, subject plus verb plus adverb plus more or er plus o. For example, she speaks more fluently than me. Number 3, the superlative degree. Superlative degree for the subject matter stand out as the most significant among the others. The comparative form is adjective or adverb plus est or most plus adjective or adverb. The pattern is when used one syllable adjective, subject plus to be plus the adjective plus est plus object. For example, she is the fastest runner. And when used two syllable adjective or more, the pattern is subject plus to be plus the most plus adjective plus o. For example, chocolate is the most delicious flavor. And when used an adverb, the pattern is subject plus verb plus adverb with most or est in the behind word plus object. For example, Nana speaks most calmly in the class. Next, for original sentence, I made it. The number 1 I made with positive degree. My car is as good as your car. Number 2, I use comparative degree. This road is narrower than the main street. And number 3, I use superlative degree. My grandfather is the oldest person in my family. Number 4, I use comparative degree with more. This puzzle is more challenging than the previous one. I have two examples from Miss Media. This is from Reuters Institute for Study of Journalism. The title, the world has changed much faster Then the BBC. The new DJ needs to confirm that. The date is June 5, 2026. The sentence is the world has changed much faster than the BBC. So, as you can see, this is verb used fast with the behind word is plus er. So, this sentence is used comparative degree. And number two is from Reuters Institute for the Study of Journalism, same with number one. And the title is The BBC is under scrutiny. Here what we should tell about its role in the UK. The date is November 10, 2025. The sentence is the BBC is the most widely used source of news in the UK. So we can see this is used most widely. So this is used grammar pattern number 3 is superlative degree because the things compare with many things. And the second topic is correlative conjunction. What is correlative conjunction? Correlative conjunction are conjunctions used to illustrate how two words or phrase within a sentence relate to each other. Correlative conjunction always come in pair. The function is to connect two words, to connect two phrase, to connect two clause, and to show addition, choice, negation, comparison, and alternative. For example, we could either hike up the mountain or swim in the lake this afternoon. My parents went to both Hawaii and Bali last year. Next, correlative conjunction pairs. Either pairs with or and neither pairs with nor. Such pair with that and rather pairs with than. Whether pairs with or not only pairs with but also as many pairs with us, both pairs with and no sooner with than. Next is grammar pattern. Number one is both pairs with and. The function is used to show that two people or team are included. The formula is both plus noun plus and plus noun plus verb. For example, both Alice and Emma enjoy reading. Number two, either pairs with or. The function used to express a choice between two options. Formula is either plus noun plus or plus noun plus verb. For example, you can either stay at home or come with us. Number three, neither pairs with nor. This is the function is used to show that both options are not true. The formula is neither plus nor. The formula is neither plus noun plus nor plus noun plus verb. For example, neither Sarah nor Lisa attend the meeting. Number four is not only pairs with but also. The function is used to emphasize two positive ideas. The formula is not only plus noun or verb, but also plus noun or verb. For example, she is not intelligent but also hardworking. Number five, whether pairs with or. The function is used to express two possible situations or alternative. Formula is whether plus clause plus or plus clause. For example, I don't know whether he will come or stay at home. Number six, as paired with us. The function is used to show that two people or things are equal. The formula is subject plus be plus us plus adjective plus us plus object. For example, my sister is as tall as my brother. And next, number seven, rather pairs with than. The function is used to express preference, choosing one thing instead of another. Formula is rather plus verb or noun plus than plus verb or noun. For example, I would rather stay at home than go out. Number 8, no sooner pair with than. The function is used to show that one action happened immediately after another. Formula is no sooner plus had plus subject plus past participle plus then plus subject plus past verb. For example, no sooner had I arrived than it started to rain. Number 9. Such pair with that. The function is used to show cause and result. It means that something has an extreme quality that causes a particular result. For example, the formula is such plus adjective plus noun plus that and plus clause. For example, it was such a beautiful day then we went to the beach. So the next is for original sentence. Number 1, the company decides to invest the renewable energy rather than expand its coal production. Number 2, the new museum not only display ancient artifacts but also offer interactive virtual tours. Number 3, neither the manager nor the technical team could identify the cause of the system failure. Number 4, the documentary presents such conflicting evidence that many fear change their opinion. Next, I have two examples from mass media. Number 1 is from Reuters Institute for the Study of Journalism. The title is Grappling with the Journalist's Trilemma, How to Rating News Impartially Today. The date is February 23, 2022. The sentence is similarly outdated and very explicit about their position, including not only the Guardian but also, for example, the Daily Mail. As you can see, the sentence is used not only pairs with but also. And number 2, this is from Forbes, and the title is Simple Backlash Redefinition of Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion. The date is October 25, 2023. And the sentence is regardless of whether or not you like the definition proposed here. So as you can see, this is used with pairs with or. And the next is part 2, study case. I have to find 10 mistakes. The total is 3 paragraphs. The first paragraph about relative clause, and the second about degree of comparisons, and the third about correlative conjunction. Let's start with the first mistake in the first paragraph. Number 1, the student which won the competition is my friend. The correct form, the student who won the competition is my friend. Because the relative pronouns, which is used for things, while who is used for people. Number 2, she met a professor whose book was published last year. The correct form is she met a professor whose book was published last year. Because the sentence expresses possession, as the book belongs to the professor, therefore whose should be used to show possession in a relative clause. Number 3, the library where it was renovated recently is very modern. The correct form, the library which was renovated recently is very modern, because the noun library functions as the subject of the passive verb was renovated. Therefore, we should be used instead of where, which refers to a place, as an adverb. Number 4, I have a classmate who studies linguistics every day. Correct form, I have a classmate who studies linguistics every day. Because the sentence contains a double subject, because both who and he refer to the same person. Number 5, the laptop who I bought yesterday. The correct form is the laptop which I bought yesterday, because the noun laptop refers to a thing, not a person. Therefore, the correct relative pronoun is which or that. Number 6, the lecture that she teach syntax. The correct form, the lecturer who teach syntax. The relative pronoun already functions as the subject of the clause, so adding she creates a double subject. The sentence only needs who. 7, the building which we discussed about yesterday. The correct form is the building which we discussed yesterday, because the verb discuss intransitive and is followed directly by an object. The preposition about should not be used after discuss. Number 8, the researcher whom article received an award. Correct form, the researcher whose article received an award, because the sentence shows preposition because the article belongs to research. Therefore, whose is the correct relative pronoun. Number 9. This is the campus where I study. The correct form, this is the campus where I study, because the sentence incorrectly used two relative words together. Only one relative word is needed. So where is the correct choice? The last mistake for relative clause is the scholarship which it was offered. The correct form is the scholarship which was offered by the government, because the relative pronoun which already functions as the subject of the clause adding creates a double subject and makes the sentence grammatically incorrect. Next, for the second paragraph, degree of comparison. The first mistake is my university is more large than the university in my hometown. The correct form is my university is larger than the university in my hometown, because the subject large is a one-syllable adjective, so its comparative form is made by adding er, not by using more. Therefore, larger is the correct comparative form. Number 2, among all students in my class, Sarah is the most smartest student. Correct form is among all students in my class, Sarah is the smartest student, because the adjective smart forms its superlative by adding est using most together with est creates a double superlative, which is grammatically incorrect. Number 3, this semester is more easier than the previous one. The correct form, this semester is easier than the previous one, because the adjective easy changed to easier in the comparative form by replacing y with ear, therefore more should not be used. Number 4, the library is the quietest than the cafeteria. The correct form, library is quieter than the cafeteria, because the sentence compares two places, so it requires the comparative form quieter followed by than. The superlative form the quietest, it's only used when comparing trees or people or things. Number 5, English is interestinger than mathematics. The correct form, English is more interesting than mathematics, because the adjective interest has more than one syllable, so its comparative form is made by using more, not by adding er. Number 6, my laptop is expensiver than my friend's laptop. Correct form, my laptop is more expensive than my friend's laptop, because the adjective expensive is a long adjective, so its comparative form should be more expensive, not expensiver. Number 7, John's presentation was more best than mine. The correct form, just John's presentation was the best, because the adjective best is already the superlative form of good. Adding more creates an incorrect double combination. Number 8, the new classroom is the more comfortable room in the building. The correct form is the new classroom is the most comfortable room in the building, because the sentence requires a superlative adjective because it identifies one room as having the highest degree of comfort. One adjective from the superlative with the most. Number 9, traveling by train is the most cheap than traveling by plane. The correct form, traveling by train is cheaper than traveling by plane, because the adjective cheap is a one-syllable adjective, so its comparative form is cheaper. The phrase most cheap is grammatical incorrect. And the last, number 10, today's weather is better than yesterday's weather. The correct form is today's weather is worse than the yesterday weather, because the adjective bad has an irregular comparative form. Therefore, the correct comparative adjective is worse, not better. Next is the last paragraph, correlative conjunction. The first mistake for paragraph correlative conjunction is both the lecturer or the student attend the seminar. The correct form, both the lecturer and the student attend the seminar, because the correlative conjunction both must always be paired with and to commit two equal words and phrases. Number 2, either the manager and the staff members will attend the meeting. The correct forms, either the manager or the staff member will attend the meeting, because the conjunction either must always be followed by or to present two alternatives. Number 3, neither the teacher or the student knew about the schedule change. The correct form is neither the teacher nor the student knew about the schedule change, because the correlative conjunction neither is always paired with nor to express a negative alternative. Therefore, not only does the library provide digital resource and also offer study space. The correct form is not only does the library provide digital resource, but also offer study space, because the correct correlative conjunction is not only pairs with but also, which is used to connect two related ideas with equal grammatical structure. Number 5, the researcher is instead both in collecting data and to analyze the result. The correct form is the researcher does is interested both in collecting data and analyzing the result. The sentence does not follow the rule of parallel structure because collecting gallon is paired with to analyze infinitive. Both elements should have the same grammatical form. Number 6, whether the meeting will be online and offline has not been decided. Correct form, whether the meeting will be online or offline has been not decided, because the conjunction whether it's always paired with or to present two possible alternatives. Number 7, no sooner had the lecture start the lesson when the electricity went out. The correct form is no sooner had the lecture start the lesson than the electricity went out, because the fixed expression is not sooner pairs with then, which is used to show that one event happened immediately after another. Number 8, scarcely had I finished my assignment than my friend asked for help. The correct form is scarcely had I finished my assignment when my friend asked for help, because the correct correlative conjunction is scarcely pairs with when expressed that one action happened almost immediately before another. Number 9, such was the difficulty of the exam that so many students failed it. The correct form is no correction needed, because this sentence is grammatically correct, because it correctly uses the structure such pairs with that to express cause and result. And the last mistake, rather the professor than also the assistant conduct the workshop. The correct form is rather than the assistant, the professor conducted the workshop, because the fixed expression is rather than, which is used to show preference or contrast. The word also should not be included because it makes the structure grammatically incorrect. And this is the text before and after for the first paragraph relative clause. Next, this is take for second paragraph before and after for degree of comparison. And the last before and after text paragraph correlative conjunction.